Experiencing mobile data problems with Rogers? You're not alone. Many iPhone and Android users face intermittent connectivity issues. First, let's address the most common causes: network congestion, infrastructure upgrades, or even severe weather. The quickest fixes are often the simplest. Restart your device and toggle airplane mode on and off. Ensure your device is set to automatically select the best network, LTE 5G. For Android, this is in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network. On iOS, check Settings, Cellular Data Options. Weak signal strength can also be the culprit. Use apps like OpenSignal to check coverage in your area. This section will give you the tools to solve most data problems on your own. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, dive deeper. Incorrect APN settings are a frequent cause. Manually enter Rogers APN details, APN equals internet.com, leave username and password blank. Next, ensure your SIM card is properly seated or consider using Rogers eSIM activation. Physical or software corruption can block data. Also, use the official Rogers app or website to check for real-time outages in your area. A notable feature is the AI-driven diagnostics launched in Q2 2025, which can automatically resolve APN misconfigurations. Check Rogers' fair usage policies, as data throttling occurs after limits are exceeded. Remember that malware can disrupt data, so an antivirus scan is recommended. If all else fails, contact Rogers support.